Good evening, Wisdom Tree.
Good evening, Rahul.
Our teacher is presently handling classes on measurement. She has already finished teaching the topics on measurements of length and mass. The next topic is measurements of volume, and I would like to know more on this topic.
Sure, Rahul. One day, Guru Dronacharya asked his students to fetch some water for the horses which were thirsty. Each of them brought water in different pans of varying sizes. Guruji asked them to pour them in a single large bucket, which he then gave it to the horses. Guruji then asked the students the amount of water they had totally fetched. The Pandavas and Kauravas were perplexed, for their vessels were of different sizes. The capacities of some vessels were mentioned in liters and others in milliliters, and they didn't know how to add them up. So they went to their Guruji to help them solve the problem. Today we shall learn about basic units for measuring volume, conversion from one unit to another unit, comparison of different volumes in different units, and application problems.
Consider this bowl of water. The amount of water in this bowl is 200 milliliters. Similarly, consider the water tank of the castle. Its capacity is 1000 liters. Here we see two different units used for the measurement of capacity: liters and milliliters. We know that the amount of water in the water tank is larger than the amount of water in the bowl. From this we can conclude that liters is generally used for larger capacity measurements and milliliters is generally used for smaller capacity measurements. Now, let us try to understand the relation between these two units of measurement of capacity. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. 1 milliliter equal to 0.001 liter. Let us take an example. Suppose we need to fill a bucket with 2 liters of water, and the amount of water which the mug can hold is 200 milliliters. Let us find out the number of mugs of water required to fill the bucket. Number of mugs required to fill the bucket equal to capacity of the bucket by capacity of mug. But the water capacity of bucket is measured in liters, whereas the water capacity of the mug is measured in milliliters. It is therefore necessary to convert them into a common unit, that is, either convert the water capacity of the bucket to milliliters or express the water capacity of the mug in liters. Here, let us express the water capacity of the bucket in milliliters. Water capacity of the bucket equal to 2 liters. We know that 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. Hence, 2 liters equal to 2 into 1000 milliliters equal to 2000 milliliters. As the water capacity of both the bucket and the mug is expressed using the same units, we can divide them. Now, the number of mugs of water required to fill the bucket equal to 2000 divided by 200 equal to 10 mugs. Let us solve some simple problems to improve our understanding of this concept. Dusashan, can you express 9.34 liters in terms of milliliters?
Since 1 liter equals 1000 milliliter, therefore 9.34 liters is equal to 9.34 into 1000 milliliters is equal to 9340 milliliters.
Very good. Now, Sahadev, can you express 567 milliliters in terms of liters?
Since 1 milliliter is equal to 0.001 liter, therefore 567 milliliters is equal to 567 multiplied by 0.001 liters is equal to 0.567 liter.
Very good. In our day-to-day life, we are required to compare the volumes of two things a number. Sometimes the two weights are measured using the same unit, and sometimes they are measured using two different units. Let us consider the case of comparison when two volumes are measured in two different units. Consider two pans of water. The volume of the first pan is 1500 milliliters and the volume of the second pan is 1.51 liters. We are required to find out which of the two pans has more capacity to hold water. When comparing the volumes of two things that are expressed in different units, it is necessary that we should express them using a common unit. In this case, let us convert them into milliliters. Hence, let's express the volume of the second pan of water in milliliters. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. Therefore, 1.51 liters equal to 1.51 into 1000 milliliters equal to 1510 milliliters. Now, comparing both the volumes as they are expressed using a common unit, we see that the second pan of water has a greater volume than that of the first. Duryodhan, which is heavier, 2.498 liters or 2490 milliliters?
When comparing the volumes of things that are expressed in different units, it is necessary that we express them into a unit that is common. In this case, let us consider liters. Expressing 2490 milliliters in liters, we know 1 milliliter is equal to 0.001 liter. Therefore, 2490 milliliters is equal to 2490 multiplied by 0.001 is equal to 2.49 liters. Now the two volumes can be compared as they are expressed using the same units. Hence, 2.498 liters is greater than 2.49 liters.
Very good. Now Bhim, which is greater, 0.975 liter or 980 milliliters?
When comparing volume expressed in different units, it is necessary that we express them using a common unit. In this case, let us consider milliliters. Expressing 0.975 liters in milliliters, we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Therefore, 0.975 liters is equal to 0.975 into 1000 milliliters is equal to 975 milliliters. Now, the two volumes can be compared as they are expressed in the same units. Hence, 980 milliliters is greater than 975 milliliters.
Very good. Let us now find out the total amount of water you have fetched for the horses. The Pandavas, namely Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul and Sahadev, brought water in pans of 1 liter capacity, whereas the Kauravas, namely Duryodhan and Dussashan, brought water in pans of 900 milliliters capacity. We know that before performing any computation, it is necessary to get the quantities into a common unit. In this case, let us express the Kauravas' pans of water capacity in liters. Their pan had a water capacity of 900 milliliters. 1 milliliter equal to 0.001 liter. Therefore, 900 milliliters equal to 900 into 0.001 liter equal to 0.900 liters. Now the total amount of water fetched by the Pandavas equal to 1 liter into 5 equal to 5 liters. The total amount of water fetched by the Kauravas equal to 0.9 liter multiplied by 2 equal to 1.8 liters. Hence, the total amount of water fetched equal to 5 liters plus 1.8 liters equal to 6.8 liters.
Today we learnt about basic units for measuring volume, conversion from one unit to another unit, comparison of different volumes in different units, and application problems. Rahul, hope you understood all the above concepts.
Yes, the concepts are much clearer now. Thank you, Great Wisdom Tree.
You're welcome, Rahul. Goodbye.